Introducing our semi-automatic 2-head volumetric piston filling machine, a versatile solution designed to streamline the filling process for a wide range of liquid products. From organic liquid pesticides and agricultural biopesticides to cooking oils, skincare essentials, cleaning agents, and beverages, this machine ensures precise volumetric filling with efficiency and consistency. Its dual-head design enhances productivity, while the adjustable settings accommodate various viscosities, from oils to gels. With its robust construction and user-friendly interface, it's an ideal choice for industries spanning agriculture, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics. Whether you're filling bottles of herbal shampoo, disinfectant chemicals, or flavored juices, our filling machine delivers accuracy and reliability, empowering your production line with seamless operation and quality assurance.